Ciao Tesla people! Today I have some accessories to install, and the sponsor of the video is EVBase. They sent me some accessories to install inside the cabin, so I'm pretty happy it covers all the places on the car almost. So let's do the first one, and it's the cover that you put in the phone holders here. It's basically a protector. It's this guy here. So it's for the Model Y Juniper, so it will fit perfectly. I have the old one from my previous Model Y and it doesn't really fit, so I wanted to have a better one, and so they sent me this one. It should go like this. Okay, so it fit perfectly inside here. Let me place it correctly, and right there. So it places really well here. You see? Very nice. So in the meantime, I can tell you that there is a discount code. It's 20% off if you use the code Ciao Tesla. So you can use that one to get a good discount. So this is the first product. Then the second product is this guy here. And let me actually do the unboxing. And basically they are covered for the hooks here when you close the doors. Okay, so this protects the hinges. Okay, so let's do the installation. It's super fast and super easy. Okay, so basically this guy here. So let me place the like that, and they're made of soft rubber or plastic, so they fit perfectly. I had this one in my other car, but for this one they wouldn't fit. Looks like the Tesla updated the Juniper and small sizes fit. So it fit perfectly. Let's do the other two. Okay, this is the other product. I'm going to do it right away. Here is the other one. Nice. They fit perfectly, which is pretty happy about it. And this one, super easy. Okay, so let's do the back one. And the back one is this guy, very long, and it's the cover for here. Okay, this is all liner, so it can be damaged by, you know, when you close and you have lots of stuff here. It can be damaged, so I wanted to protect this. So let me put you here, and let's see if I can show you right there. Can you see? Yeah, like that. And let me open this huge bag. So this was in a box, and I put it on the ground at home so that it would flatten. So, and if you see, it has basically, since this liner, this has a bunch of velcros all around, so they will stack really well. Very cool. So let's do the installation. Okay, it's super easy, should be. So you have to just align it like that. Okay, right there. Yep. And then it fits the holes here and the holes here. And here at the bottom, and right there. It fits right there. The light, oh, perfect. Nice, I like it. It fits perfectly. And very nice. Here, you see? It fits perfectly on the side with Velcro. The button to open Or, oh, here, I'm not sure. This one maybe has a different for other models in US or in China, but here fits perfectly here, here on the side. Yep, right there. Very cool. Very nice. Okay, and so this one was the other one, and now let's go in the front. In the front, this other product, if you remember, I made some mods here, but I wanted to cover this. So there is a filter that will cover that from debris to come inside the intake here. This is the intake for the HEPA filters, and so they're made two pieces, and they're super easy to install. Right there. Should be like this, right? Actually, yeah. Am I put in correctly? I think so. This one goes on top. There it is. It's a bit flexible, so you have to push a little bit. Yep. Okay. And this goes on top right there. And that's it. Okay. The mesh is pretty thin, so you will just collect here. Yeah. Nice. Very good. So very cool. So it will protect the intake from debris and leaves and all that stuff and dirt. Because inside here there's the HEPA filter, it's the bioweapon. So I had a similar one on my previous Model Y, but this is for Juniper. They're different, so I had to take a newer one, an adapter one. So let's go back inside the car. Hoopla. Very cool. So very easy installation. I mean, not much of its installation, but very cool. So I'm very happy about these products. Therefore, discount code Ciao Tesla. I'm going to leave all the links in the description, so you can check it out. 20% off, which is good. I think they have big sales too. So EVBase. So again, check out all these products on the EVBase site. Use my referral code so you can get a very good discount. And that's it. Thanks again to EVBase for sponsoring this video. And check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, comment. And I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.